I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by containing the mess. Ventilate the space and put on gloves and eye protection. Once ready, blot the wet WD-40 with a clean rag to lift the bulk. Do not spread it. Make sure to test a hidden area with your chosen cleaner so you know it won't harm the metal finish. Next, apply a small amount of degreaser or dish soap mixed with warm water to the stained area to start breaking the oil bond. Once the cleaner has had time to penetrate, typically 2 to 5 minutes, you start agitating the surface. Use a soft nylon brush or microfiber cloth and scrub in the direction of any grain to avoid scratching. The mechanical action helps detach the oil from the metal, so be thorough but controlled. After scrubbing, rinse with warm water and inspect the surface. If a greasy film remains, repeat application and agitate. Dry the metal immediately with a lint-free cloth to prevent water spots and flash corrosion. Moisture plus bare metal is a quick way to rust. Once dry, apply a metal polish or a thin protective oil layer to restore sheen and inhibit oxidation. If you still see WD-40 residue, wipe the area with isopropyl alcohol on a clean rag and then repeat the degreasentrance sequence, making sure to dry and protect. Troubleshooting tip: persistent films usually yield to repeat cleaning plus a soft.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.